The box jump is a simple exercise to practice being explosive. There are many variations, but I suggest starting this way. Stand close to a box, but with enough room to swing your arms forward without hitting it. While keeping your feet flat, hinge at the hips and knees while swinging your arms backward. All at once, swing the arms forward and up while extending your hips, knees, and ankles to propel your body up on the box. Land with knees slightly bent to cushion the landing and then stand straight up. I suggest stepping down off the box to reset for the next rep. It's important to note the emphasis should be on practicing being explosive, to propel the entire body up enough to land almost standing and not simply pulling your legs up to reach the box.